For the second accused, it is Mr. Nyabuto. Third accused, Mr. Magoa. Makoha. For the fourth accused, it's Mr. Kisilu. Kisilu. Mr. Sindeu is for the fifth, sixth, seventh. Sindeu. Fifth.
A5?
Yes. A6, A7, and A8. Yes. Mr. Wandungi is on record for the 9 and 10 accused persons, and Mr. Kisilu is holding his brief. Mr. Kisilu.
That is, he said Mandugi is for?
It's for the 9th and 10th accused persons.
Okay.
Yes. Your Honor, I need to explain the absence of the first accused. The first accused was assigned some state duties which require his personal presence. And he has instructed me to seek permission of the court that the proceedings for today do proceed in his absence. Your Honor, Article 50, Subarticle 2, F of the Constitution grants an accused person.
Yes, slow down.
Yes, sorry, Your Honor. Yes, grants the accused person the right to be present during his trial. The accused person can waive, and indeed has instructed me that his right to be present he has consciously taken the decision to waive it. And with the court's permission, the proceedings can go on in his absence, having waived the right to be present. The waiver is limited to today's proceedings. I respectfully urge Your Honor to allow the proceedings to go on in his absence. Thank you.
Honor, the state does not wish to oppose the application. We have looked at the provisions of Article 50F. And we have noted that the accused person has a right. He can elect not to be present during the proceedings. However, we note that the waiver is only in respect to these proceedings, and therefore we are not opposing that application.
So the application by council for A1 is hereby granted. Displayed.
We are most obliged.
That takes me to number 2.
Yes, Your Honor, like I had explained earlier, the second accused is on the way. Something that is called a minor mechanical problem on the way. But I've just spoken to him. He's coming at the time he calls.
Can you show him a video of what is happening here? And determine whether we should wait for him or we also wait to decide under the same actions. I think
Your Honor,
prosecution is philanthropic enough.
Your Honor, I'll be requesting, first on behalf of my colleagues, I'll be requesting for the indulgence so that the court can proceed as my client makes his way to court. Because I've just spoken to him. He's keen on attending, but he can proceed as he comes in. I therefore wish to make the application on his behalf that we do proceed he makes his way in.
We give specific instructions that they can respond. Are you saying he's also waving?
Your Honor is waving.
Because we can't.
He's waving. He's
No,
waving.
we're talking about two things here. Proceed as wave. It's either he waves.
Your Honor is waving his vehicle for this particular session.
Please, any objection?
We have no objection.
So application equally allowed, it's free.
Most of
Yes, please, Your Honor. I am Mrs. Molonge, then Ms. Dena. The purpose of today's mention, Your Honor, was to enable the prosecution make an application to withdraw this matter. But before I argue the application, I wish to indicate the circumstances that led us to make that application. The accused persons in this case were charged with 6 counts of corruption and economic crimes offenses. They were charged with 6 counts of corruption and related economic crimes offenses on 26 July 2021.
It's counts of corruption related cases.
Yes. On 26 July 2021. Upon taking plea on 26 July 2021, The matter was fixed for the trial conference on 9th August 2021. The prosecution was unable to make full disclosure on the ground that we had not been given all the materials by the investigating officers to enable and serve the defense. Your Honor, the matter was fixed again on 27th August 2021, again for the trial conference to enable the state serve all the remaining documents. On 27th August 2021. Regrettably, Your Honor, we were not able to disclose the documents we are required to serve, as the same had not been supplied to the prosecution by DCI. And therefore we could not comply. Your Honor, the matter was fixed for hearing on 5th September 2022. And Your Honor, when we appeared before this court, we informed the court that we have received several letters from accused number 5, 6, 7, and 8 requesting we received letters from 5th, 6th, 7, and 8 accused persons requesting the DPP to review the decision to charge in this matter. Your Honor, in light of the request to review, the prosecution team sat and reviewed the evidence. And at this stage, we realized that we were not able to respond to the letters without the evidence we had requested from DCI at the time we were charging. Your Honor, we called for a meeting.
Without the evidence that
We had earlier requested from DCI to enable us fully prepare for the hearing of this matter on 5th September 2022. Your Honor, we called for a meeting between the DCI team and the ODPP prosecution team so that we could go through the original file and the exhibits and identify the way forward. Your Honor, the DCI team did not respond to our request and nor avail the original file. And nor avail the original file and the exhibits required to enable us to study the file again. Your Honor, I wish to indicate the letters that we wrote to DCI, requesting them to cover the further areas we identified. We wrote one on 28 July 2021. Yes.
how many letters?
We wrote 3 letters. The first one dated 28 July 2021.
Dated
28 July 2021.
second one?
The second one is dated 9 December 2021. 9th December 2021. And the third one is dated 23rd August 2022. Your Honor, there are others we had written but I have not carried today. But the point we are making, Your Honor, is that despite the several letters,
Yes.
the DCI did not respond. And therefore, we were not able to get the additional evidence that we had requested from the DCI. Your Honor, on 15th October 2022, the office was served with an affidavit from the office of the DCI The same is sworn by the investigating officer, Kuria Obadia, and it is filed in this court on 2nd November 2022. It is filed in court on 2nd November 2022. The affidavit, Your Honor, is self-explanatory and is filed in court, but let me highlight paragraph 7. The investigating officer, Your Honor, in paragraph 7, admits that some crucial areas of investigations in this matter were not adequately covered as the investigating officer was not given sufficient time to investigate this matter and make recommendations.
Was not given sufficient time
To fully investigate this matter and make proper recommendations. he admitted that he was under pressure from his boss, the DCI, the then DCI, Mr. George Kenote, to complete investigations and make recommendations to charge the accused persons in this matter. The same areas that were not covered, Your Honor, the IO indicates that these areas could have shed light on the culpability of the accused persons or otherwise in this court.
The uncovered areas.
The uncovered areas would shed light in determining the culpability or not of all the accused persons in this case. Your Honor, the lead IO deposed at paragraph 8, at paragraph 8 of his affidavit, that it would be prejudicial to the prosecution case to proceed with the matter at this stage, noting that the outstanding areas of investigation have not been covered.